Hi everyone, Lon from DPI Lab here, and we have had an overwhelming response to the release of our Catalyst Vision AI system. And in your calls and emails and comments online, three questions keep coming up. The first question is, can you guys do a video showing the entire process end to end? The second question is, how fine a detail can we get to with a technology like this? And the third question is, do you really have AI components or did you just put it in the name to make it sound clever? So we're going to scrap our video order, change things up, and right now we're going to answer all three questions with one single demo. Okay, so for this test, you can see we've got 7 US quarters spread out on the print bed, relatively small items with very fine detail. The first step is we're going to come over here to our integrated vision software, and we're going to choose our scan area. We're just going to scan area 1, which is the front of the bed, and we'll press the scan button. And when we do that, the camera system is going to move on the gantry to the left. It's going to illuminate the bed and determine the exact position of all of our quarters. Okay, so we've got 7 quarters on the bed here, as we can see. The next step is to create a template where we're going to match the art up to the actual items. So we'll grab one of these quarters at random, and we will press create to create a template. Give it a name, quarter testing, and we'll confirm. So now we can see that the camera has read all the fine detail of the quarter, so we're going to create our template file. Now we're just going to tell it what area to use here. We're going to use the whole thing. And the system is going to identify the key features that's going to allow it to align the artwork. So we will verify those features. And the next step will be to align and integrate our artwork. So we're going to bring in our file, and we're going to bring in just this black only file. So you can see we're just going to put the black into the negative space around the etchings on the quarter. So we'll choose it, and the file will import. Okay, so you can see here it brought the file in. It's gigantic. It has some relics. It's not the best artwork, and we're going to try to match this up on here. So this is where the AI features come into play. The system is going to compare the artwork with the scan that it took on the bed and align this art specifically on top of this item. So we'll go ahead and just press the auto align button, and the system will sync. And there it is. It's determined the exact position for this art based upon the position of the item on the bed. So with the template created, we're going to press save. And we have our quarter testing template saved successfully. So we can now close the template area and go back to our main screen. We have our 7 quarters on the bed. We have our template created, and we're just going to press product verify, which is going to apply the art to all 7 pieces. You can see it counting up here, and we've identified 7 products and have applied the art. If we zoom in, you can see that it's put the black art around all of the quarters, exactly where it's supposed to be. And at this point, we can go ahead and press the print button. And as we execute the print, you can see the printhead start to move and apply the black ink to the images. And as you can see, we have perfect registration on every item, taking into account all of the fine detail, irrespective of the orientation of the object. So hopefully this short demonstration was able to answer all 3 of your questions. We got a brief end-to-end walkthrough of the system. We showed some fine detail and the AI components of the system. If you have questions about Catalyst Vision AI or anything else UV printing related, reach out to us at dpi-lab.com or drop a comment below and we'll respond as fast as we can. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.